Check it out, check it out, check it out. We live. We're not gonna be here long. We're gonna be here strong. It's old dark early, plus 30 minutes. Anyway, Grand Rising, we got day 102 to YSL. That's confirmation. The YSL case pulling up on us in about 2 hours or so, 2.5 hours. Shout out to everybody who come on in. Please like, share, and subscribe as you hit the building. Also, leave me a comment if you have any suggestions or if you have any uh, prog- progressions, or if you can see things that, whatever, numerology, astrology, whatever your way of doing business, if you can see some things happening in this case, please hit me with a comment. We're going to do a live energy reading on the judge, Paige Whitaker, taking over this case. Should we continue on? It's halfway through. Should there be another judge coming in midway like this and being able to still rule over this case? Should the case continue? Should they recuse the prosecutors because of the so-called ex parte and other things that have been going on in this trial? Should there be a gag order? Should these accused be released and set free with a bond until further notice? Should we continue to listen to Kenneth Copeland's testimonies? It's a lot going on for this judge to take over midway in this YSL case. But without further ado, we're going to continue on. For those who would like a private energy reading by me, please pay
For
attention to the
that
following.
private readings are by donations only. Hit the Cash App, send me a comment, a message, an email, get in touch with me. IG, Facebook, YouTube. King Cooley on everything. Hit the Cash App. Let me get a private reading for you today. Shout out to you and yours and all those that always represent King Cooley. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube video today. King Cooley, nothing but love. And I'm out. Peace.
So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into this energy reading. Let's go. Oh, before I get started, this is going out to those who are no longer here with us, our ancestors, those who have been victims of political violence, as in the attempted assassination of, President Trump, and also Sonia Massey. Please, everybody, in our prayers. Countdown. Hey, Grand Rising, Grand Rising. Thank y'all for coming in. I know it's old dark early here today, so we're not going to be here long. We're going to be here strong. For those that would like to donate to the channel, the clicker below, look at the ticker below. It's on Cash App, King Cooley 125 on Cash App. That's King Cooley 125 on Cash App. We're going to do a YSL day 102, quote unquote, energy reading. Shout out to all those that do all the work for this YSL case. I'm not going to mention a lot of names, but there's a lot of you. The lead attorney in AV, Cuff Boys, Infamous Sylvia, Seti Nash, even Miss Bumpus, Attorney Bumpus herself. You got Kenneth Copeland as Woody. Woody's out here on the social media. Shout out to everybody who does do what they do in this case. Megan, Kuna, also Nick, and all of those people. Cat Not Williams, shout out to all of them. All right, so here we go. A live energy reading on the case First, we have the Ace of Cups in the reverse. So there will be some spilled emotion, some energy that needs to be let go. Being that there has been a lot of offers in this case, a lot of motions that have been filed, but not everybody's going to get their motions filed today. Not everybody's going to be granted what they wished. There will be an emotional turmoil. The Five of Pentacles also in the reverse. So this is costing the state a lot of money. Before there was an offer for some finances to take over the case, but the case is worried about the bill. Okay, so there is a financial bill that's attached to this case, which makes things a little bit uneasy. We also have the Ace of Cups again in the reverse. In between these three, right? They came in this order. So letting go of some things, very emotional, letting go of the profit, letting go of the financial burdens. So far, I believe that this is the World card here. This is a completion. The world is watching. The world is getting a little tired of the case, the money being spent. There's no love for the judicial system at this moment when it comes to Fulton County. A lot going on in Fulton County they have to bear. This is a new moon in Leo. This is the Leo sign, new moon in Leo, the sun in Leo. Okay, the new moon will be August the 4th. So they're expecting to go back on trial with the jury by August 4th by the new moon. But I believe there will be a new moon, a new move, a new motion to retry this case or mistry this case. Here is the Emperor card in the reverse. So the main deal with this case with Judge Whitaker coming in is because of the recusal of the Judge Glanville, who here is in the reverse. Why is this Ace of Cups in the reverse? Here we have the Star card. Okay. Oh, wait. I'm sorry. This is backwards. Here we have the Star card. So first we had the Ace of Cups in the reverse. Now we have the Star card in the upright position. As above, so below. As within, so without. The Star card. So when there's a new moon in the sky, you know, that means the sun and the moon are traveling together. So by August 4th, we have a new moon in Leo, and the only thing that will be visible in the sky are the stars and, you know, some of the major planets that are playing in the night sky, like Venus. Venus and Mercury right now are in Virgo. So there's a lot to do with putting the work in, paying attention to the details. So here with this Aquarius energy, we have Aquarius energy coming in with the Star card. It's going to be a lot of case law, supreme case law that will come into play in this role today for Judge Whitaker. And on top of the Five of Pentacles, you have the Empress card. So this is Judge Whitaker's card on the throne. She's there to keep the money down, make sure the finances stay as low as possible in this case. They're very worried about the financial situation. There's some creative energy coming in, so there will be somebody who will play the star role, if you will, today. The judge might favor somebody over the other. Here with the Ace of Cups and now the Seven of Cups. So there will be some crying over spilled milk. There will be some emotional release. Somebody will get emotional today about not having enough options, running out of options. Okay. So something has to end. Something that was done in the past has to end. Something has to be judged upon about what Glanville had ruled before in the past. So there may be some going back to Glanville's words, Glanville's doing and undoing some of Glanville's motions, some of Glanville's rulings might take a play in this choice today. Also, why are they running out of the options? Well, the judge is saying that we're going to stick to one thing and one thing only. When she says she rules, or she might stick to what limited options she might have. So the judge is actually running out of options. So she's going to have to rule on some things today that may take time if it's done at a later date. Some things have to be done today. Some rulings. So there is here the lust card. So a lot of heartfelt energy, ruling from the heart. Judge Glanville meant well, and I'm sure he meant, and he ruled from a place of his heart, but there could have been some lust or some kind of grandeur, some kind of reward in it. I'm not saying Glanville was paid or anything like that, but they did promise him something in a future date. So there's a lot of things that we have to go back and probably recuse or pull back from Glanville's words, or maybe Woody's testimony has to be pulled back because there was a lot of lustful bribes, a lot of things within that the secret will come out. It wasn't coming from the heart. Woody, Kenneth Copeland means well, I believe as well, and would like to tell the truth. But he's not being allowed to speak his truth. Now that might change with Judge Whitaker. If we do allow Kenneth Copeland back on the stand, then we're going to get a different Kenneth Copeland. So at the end of the day, there will be a star witness or star person, somebody who's going to shine bright in this case today. The judge will rule, and once she rules, she only wants to rule one time. She doesn't want to keep saying things back and forth. They will have to go back and look at some of Glanville's cases in the past, what he's ruled thus far, and she's going to have to make some decision on those. Will she have to free these guys with a bond? I believe that if she rules with what she knows in her heart the law is, then I believe that there will be bonds granted. Possibly today you might see somebody free. There's not a lot of options to go on. There's not a lot of choices for Judge Whitaker to make today. But she will make some rules that may put somebody in an emotional state. You'll see it's going to be an emotional case today about the way Judge rules. So at the end of the day, I do believe that there will be some Judge Glanville issues that may come up that may have to be ruled upon, whether they're admissible or not, some of the evidence, if we continue on. If this trial continues on before the end of the week is out, then I'd say it'd be a lucky thing. She's going to have to grant some bonds. Things are going to end. I believe that this is going to end in a mistrial. I don't even believe this case will go into next week. We might not even see a jury again in this case unless it's a mistrial without prejudice. But let's see, will there be a mistrial with prejudice? Yes. I believe that Judge Whitaker is going to grant, before the week is out, mistrial with prejudice. I appreciate everybody for coming in today. We'll do this again after tonight. We'll see what happens. It's King Cooley, man. Hit me with a comment. let me know in the comment section what you think. Let me know if you like a private reading by King Cooley. Let me know. It's King Cooley. Nothing but love, man. We out. Thank y'all for those that do donate to the channel and continue to come in. Now, we have a new moon, August the 4th, right? So possibly the first, around the 1st or 2nd, I'm going to do a live energy reading for those who would like a live energy reading here on YouTube. Around the 1st of August, the 2nd, we're going to do a new moon energy reading for all signs, Aries through Pisces. And that'll be a good time for you guys to come on in and get a live energy reading, pro bono, for free. But if you want a private reading, then leave me a comment. Give me a way to get in touch with you, and then we'll do it that way. King Cooley, nothing but love. We out. Enjoy the case.